Hi everyone. On this video, I'm going to explain to you how to join all those new NFT projects on Discord. A lot of people are asking me how to join the service and how to join the whitelist and all that. So if you are one of these people, stay tuned and I'm going to show you exactly how to do everything. Okay, basically this is how the Discord app looks like. If you don't know what it is, I would recommend first download it before watching this video, so it's going to be easier for you to track everything. Now, when you want to join one of these NFT servers, this is a new account, so I don't have any of them here. You probably would get a link from one of your friends or colleagues, or find it online somewhere in one of the other applications, and it's gonna look like this. Okay, this is a custom invite because it doesn't have the name of the server. Regular invite will have the name of the server. So, for example, here Gulliverse will be discord.gg/Gulliverse or whatever the name of the server is. Now, this is a custom invite because the whole point of getting into whitelists on these NFT project is that you need to invite people. So let's just press on this, and then it's gonna take us to Discord, to the service itself. And then you ask you if you want to join. Obviously, you're gonna press yes, you want to join. But that's not gonna be the end of it, because after you join, they want to protect the server from spammers, scammers, whatever. So in each of these things, they're gonna ask you different questions. So you see here, you're gonna ask verify me. So you're gonna have to press that and verify yourself. And then you say before you exit the server, you must read the rules. Okay, so you have to press that and then read the rules. And then here you read the rules, blah 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 blah. Okay, and then you go back to the welcome or to whatever it is. Verify me here, for example, in this, and then you need to press the V here in order to see the channels, because right here there's nothing you can see. So after you press the V, now you're officially in the server. Okay, so that's how you do it here. I'm gonna do the other one just to show you how to join the other server. Just a second. So here, let's see, this is a project I like, X Rabbit Club. It's actually a Chinese project, and believe it or not, I really believe in it. And then join the club, and of course after that, then they have a different kind of verification. Failed to load, I don't know why. So you go to the welcome, blah blah blah. Okay, so that's me. Hello, welcome to XRabbit. Please go to verification to complete. So this is a different one. So you go here to verification, and here this is a message to make all the robots fail, because then they're just gonna press here one of these. But actually what they say here is, everyone, you need to react with the previous message, not this. So they just want to make sure that you're a person. Okay, and here you go here, click on the rabbit to get verified role. You click on the rabbit, and then you're in the server. Okay, so that's two servers and two projects that I showed you. Now, after you join a server, that's also very confusing. It's gonna be here on the left side. Okay, sometimes after you join the server, you just don't know where it disappeared. So it's gonna be here on the left side, and here you change from a server to one server to the other, and you have all the chats within this server here. So let's say this is like a menu, and this is like a menu of all the servers that you're in. Okay, I'm gonna join one more server, and then I'm gonna explain to you a little bit on each one of them. And this is called Paragons, which is also something that I like. And of course, all the invitation link will be in the description below. So if you'd like to do it and use it, then you can do that. And then sometimes you see these error messages. That means that probably I'm not gonna get the invite because something went wrong. So, and then in case you do that and you invite people, you can go to the mods, the moderators of the server, and tell them, hey, I invited this person, I didn't get the invite, please give it to me. And then they're gonna add these invites to you, because with these invites, that's how you get to the whitelist. And that's the whitelist basically is an option to mint or to buy the NFTs first. You're gonna have the first option to buy them. In order to get to these NFTs, to these whitelists, there's like different rules that you have to do, or different qualifications. Okay, so here I joined this server, and again I see nothing because they want me to verify, react to the message with the Saturn. Here they don't have an icon, they just say to the Saturn planet. So this is the Saturn planet, so I'm just gonna press here, and I'm in the chat as well. Okay, so now how do you get into the whitelist? Each one of these here have a different menu of how to get into the whitelists. Usually it's under the announcements, or they will have a whitelist tab somewhere here. Okay, so here it's probably here under the announcements, I don't remember in each one. And then if you're gonna go up, you're gonna see the different announcements they have like prizes, and they have like different categories of how to get to the whitelists. Okay, and let me see where it is here. Okay, so I scrolled all the way up. This is the first message from this server. And here, basically to join the whitelist, all you have to do at the beginning is just follow the Twitter, do a like, retweet, and tag two of the friends, and then you just send them a message with like screenshots. But then the more people got into this, has already 12,000, okay? And I really like this art about this project. I'm gonna show you on each project why I think it's good or not. And then, for example, here they already had more people, so now is to get into the whitelist now. There are 200 places, spots, and then you need to invite 5 people and follow the Discord and create a unique post. So the more the server evolve and grow, you will need to get to different levels. Like 5 invites might not be enough in a week. You'll have to have 15 or something like that. And also you'll have to grow on levels. Some projects want you to be in a certain level, and to get to that level is only by being like participating. So if you're gonna go here and you start going to the general chat and start writing stuff, Happy New Year everyone, or stuff like that, then every message that you send will give you more points basically, and then you can rank up. You get ranked by going to the chats here and be active. That's all you need. You go and you say hi everyone, blah blah blah, good morning, good night, and I find it very good to react to the fan art. And when even you check your rank, it builds your rank. We're gonna discuss this later, but I'm gonna show you like the different whitelists that's on this project. It's gonna be different. So here it's not gonna be under announcement. It's gonna be probably under whitelist. And as you can see, it's hard to find, so you have to take your time and see where it is exactly, because each server will have his own rules and all his own build out of where to find each thing. So for this project specifically, it was under announcements again, and it basically, here they say that there's no official information, but you will need to have level 50 in order to get automatically. And level 50 is very hard to get. You actually need to live in the server and then send a lot of messages and be very active. Something very nice that there's on this service, there's a language chats, and then in order to join it, you just press here, and you press your flag, and then once you do that, you see there's also flags here. So once you do that, you will have a language chat opened up here under language. Okay, so let's say I also speak, I don't know, Arabic. I can go to here, and then I have that. Okay, Spanish, boom, you have Spanish. And you don't have a lot of mess, because some servers has language channels with a lot of mess in it. So that's a nice way of doing it. So just FYI. So how do you rank up? How do you level up basically? So usually you have different chats. You can just go and say hello everyone, and then start a conversation or something like that. You need to know that there's a slowdown, so you cannot send a message every second. Some servers has it 30 seconds, some 1 minute, and some more. But in the meanwhile, instead of just waiting for it, you can go to different chats and then send different messages in these chats. Now, I find it to be very helpful to go to the memes. It adds a lot of points. All you have to do is just write funny or ha 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 or LOL or something like that, and then it gives you points. And if you can see, as you can see, this also have a slowdown. Most chats will have slowdowns. If you want to edit a message, you can just go here and edit it. Okay, go here, edit, and then you just write funny, not funny, funny. Okay, and then also there's a lot of art fans. In each project, there's art fans that people create stuff that related to the project itself. So this is about eagles, so they make like funny things or nice things about eagles. So here you can also react. You can just write amazing or something like that. Or if you quote, you're gonna press here, right click, and then do reply. I believe you get more points by doing that. Then you can just write amazing, okay, and send it. So that's basically how you level up. By the time you finish here, you can go back to the general chat, and then you're ready to send another message. Usually people will react to you and say hi or something like that, and then you can just reply to them back. Okay, and that's it pretty much. Now I'm gonna talk about the 3 projects that I just joined. This the Meta Eagles is a project of the designer from the Crypto Bulls. His name is Gal Yosef. He has very nice art, and it's really hard to get into the whitelist. But if you manage to do it, you're probably gonna get a good option, because when you mint, okay, let me explain what is minting. So after you get to the whitelist, let me explain about the whitelist. The whitelist basically means that you're gonna have the first right to buy this NFT. Not this one specifically, but the ones from this project. Usually it's for about 0.2 ETH, and after that it just goes up. Some projects fail and then you buy it and it goes down, but that's the whole point. But if you do get to the whitelist and you buy it, and after a week or 2 it comes to, the price goes up to 6 ETH, then you made a lot of money. Okay, that's why people are living here. Actually, they're here 24/7 texting and grinding, and that's how they get the level up. And of course the invites. A lot of people, a lot of places, what you do, you need to do the invites. So that's about this one. The project that I really like is this one, the X Rabbit. It's actually a Chinese project. I didn't see any other Chinese projects before, and this is for a company that makes these little rabbits It's gonna load up in a second and you'll see. And then these rabbits are very, very famous, and they use it in their chats all the time, in the Chinese chats, like if it's WeChat, Wixin, or different chats. So this company, the official company, made this NFT collection. They have 7,000. They're gonna make 7,000, and you're gonna be able to get 2 for each wallet you connected. There is no date or price yet. Oh, for example, the Eagles. You go back to the Eagles, for example, and they don't actually say how many they're gonna have, but most servers have. They will tell you. For example, here the Paragons, they're gonna have 9,400, and you can also see how many members and all that. This is also a very nice project, and I think the art here is like amazing. You can see it's like different. It's not monkeys or something like that, but it's really, really nice, and the quality of each design, I like it. So, but again, that's just me. And then for the rabbits, I really think that there's gonna be some Chinese dude that will want to buy this one for 10 Ethereum because he wants it, and he's gonna be able to afford it because they have like a lot of millionaires in China. I don't know if you know them, but they're the country with the most growing millionaires in the world. So that's about that. And then for here, for the whitelist rule. Okay, so here you see they have a different. It's gonna be under whitelist. So every category, every place, it's gonna be somewhere else. It's not gonna be under announcements. Here it's gonna be under whitelist rule. And I did see in different servers that there's whitelists. So this is exactly where you're gonna look for it. And then here, you can see they have different categories for each whitelist. I mean, all of these will get into the same whitelist, but you can get into it in different ways. So for example, first of all, for all of them, you'll have to follow these rules. Follow the X Rabbit on Twitter and change your Discord username to include the rabbit. That's something a lot of people also do as well. Choose a picture from the sneak peek as a profile. That's something you will need to do as well. You go here, you download the picture, and then you just make it your profile picture here. Okay, that's pretty simple, so I'm not gonna show it. And then, for example, first option is just answer a question. They have 100 spots, and it's gonna be about the Lengto company. That's the brand make that rabbit. Obviously, I don't have any knowledge, so that's gonna be hard for me, but if you like to learn and you read about it and you can answer the question, good for you. Second option is community contributors. Like if you have a lot of people you can invite or something like that, this is valuable suggestions. Like if you contribute to this community specifically. And then option 3 is influencers. If you have a big followers, 10,000 or something like that, you can post something they give you, and then they're gonna give you a whitelist ticket. Or be active, or for example, some of them is like to invite competitions and stuff like that. So just FYI, each server has its own demands, and that's how you're gonna do it. And I'm gonna show you one last server. Bear with me. This server, Oxya, is actually a server I'm in, and I'm already in the whitelist. Not on this account, in a different one. You can see there's already 200,000 people on this server, and that's, I think, only in 2 weeks, so it's crazy. Usually they had a very simple verification with a V. You just press the V and then you're good. But right now they made it different because there's a lot of spams and bots. You can see they already banned almost 40,000 bots that try to malfunction this. So here you need to go to the checkpoint. Again, that's just another method of how to do it. And then you do /verify. All right. You just press here, and then they're gonna ask you the token number. The token number is the invite number. So if I'm gonna go to my invite number, it's this, and I'm gonna copy it. Okay, Oxya. I'm gonna go back to the server and paste it. I don't know if it's gonna work. Let's see, and then press enter. It does not exist. That's very nice. So I'm not gonna get the point. Oh, and now it's also slowdown is enabled. You see, so they actually blocked me from trying to do it again because I got a wrong verification. So let me go to my other account quickly, and then I'm gonna show you what I mean about this. Okay, so this is the server. As you can see, I'm in the server, and I actually have a whitelist here. But here, for example, they show you exactly how to invite. It's very, very organized. At the beginning, it wasn't like that. But now, since they grew up so big, they have like YouTube tutorials that explain to you how to invite each person and that. And then usually most servers have an option that shows you how to invite. They show you how many on the server, how many NFT will be, so almost 8,000. The release is gonna be soon. I'm gonna show you about the spam, which is very important. So be sure to watch this because a lot of people lost money on these scams. And basically here for the whitelist rules, announcement, whitelists. Okay, so it's very simple. There's a whitelist category, blah blah blah. We have two clubs. One is a regular whitelist, one is an OG whitelist. OG is like they were gonna get the option to buy first. I'm just a regular whitelist, but it's still great. And then in order to get that, you will have to be invite. First of all, here at the beginning, it was only invite 5 people and get to level 5. So you type a little bit and you get to level 5. And here now, because there's so many, they're gonna let you do that. And after you do all these, you're only gonna get to a drawing. And after from that drawing, they're gonna choose who wins the whitelist. There's also people, they're gonna do it randomly about people that contributes, and they're gonna choose them. And then you will have to put the Oxya Origin in your name, choose a sneak peek, blah blah blah, and all that. And then follow them, Twitter, Instagram, and all that, and be active, okay? And that's it pretty much. If I'm gonna go to the chat, you will see that a lot of people here, that's their name. This is the name of the user, but they added Oxya Origin, okay? So here is Oxya Origin. David Gold, Bruno Moras, Oxya Origin. So all these, they want to be part of the whitelist. You can see they even put the pictures from the sneak peeks. They change the picture in order to be picked, and they're very active. And once they're gonna be chosen, they're gonna get the option to mint the products, mint the NFTs first. Now I'm gonna go to my messages. It's gonna be over here. You're not gonna see it because I graded out, because I don't want you to see all the stuff that I have here. But here, if you're gonna go here, you're gonna see a lot of spam that I got. For example, here it looks like an official message from Oxya Origin. Okay, they blocked it because I already reported it, but you're gonna see it like that. Oh my god, you just won the pre-sale, we just drew you, blah 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 blah, you're a winner, you're so lucky. And then if you're gonna go here to the link, to open this link, it's gonna take you, if you can, yeah, blah blah blah, I trust this. And right away they're gonna want you to connect your wallet. You see, just open my Meta wallet. Obviously I'm not gonna do it. Connect your MetaMask wallet to buy it, and you're so lucky, you can buy up to 3, you cannot buy more, yeah, right? And then the thing is, once you do it, this money goes and never returns. So you have to be careful and never do that, because as you can see, they try to sell me some NFTs. But if I go to the Discord server, you can see here that that the release is soon. It's not even released yet. So they're just gonna try to scam you. And then I have a lot of people that try to scam me from different groups or chats that want you to just go and buy it, like Gulliver's, like the one from the Eagles we just saw, blah blah blah. You can grab your NFT. The raffle has started. Really, it hasn't started. And if you go here, you can see the website they put is very, like, look at all that. They really make it look like it's a legit thing, but it's really not. And then also here, you can they show you, look at the timer, it just jumped, as if people just buying it. Oh my god, you have to buy it quick, because otherwise you're not gonna have enough. So guys, it's a scam. Don't ever trust private messages. Only go to whatever published in the original server and under the announcements, not under anywhere else. Here, if they're gonna tell you, hey, the mint will be on, I don't know, February 1st, then you go and you can buy it on that day. That's it. I hope it helped somebody. If it did, leave a comment, drop a like, share, and subscribe, please. And if you didn't like it, tell me why, and I'll try to improve. Have a happy new year, and good night.